How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As always, lots of things moving and changing. This year was a bit of a roller coaster, but everything's good. I've got a few videos lined up to post. I've just been super busy. Busy. But they're here. They're in my notes app, and there's footage sitting on my laptop. So I've got everything I need. I just need to pick a day to get them done, and I promise I will. Thank you all so much for subscribing and watching my videos. Although I didn't get to 1,000 like I had hoped by the end of this year, but 835 is still pretty great to me. I've said this plenty of times, but this channel is something I literally never thought would grow into anything. So thank you so much for all of your support. And yeah, here we are. And thank you again. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas with all the food and all the family, of course. I got a few toys, including this fancy microphone, and then a few camping things that I'll be testing out this winter. Had to let go of a couple Land Rovers, which is a bummer, but needed to happen. And for this next one, I think I've narrowed down the favorite to being the LR3 for sure, considering I'm sitting in one still. But yeah, in the past I've had the Discovery 1, Discovery 2, Range Rover Sport, and then the P38. And the LR3 has just been the most, I don't want to say least troublesome one, because the LR3 is the one we've spent the most money on. But it just has more convenient space, and it has those car seat anchor points that I really like in comparison to the D1 or D2. I know the 03 and 04 D2s might have the anchor points, but even then the LR3 just has a lot more space. And yeah, the Range Rover Sport was fun, but lack of space, and that's pretty much it. And car seat anchor points might not even mean anything to you, so maybe potentially in the future they could. There's a few LR3s that I've seen on Facebook Marketplace, and it's always hard to pass up on those, especially when the price is pretty good and it's the exact combination that you're looking for. But if the funds aren't there, then they're not there, so just got to keep saving for that. But yeah, here's to an awesome 2025 with more Land Rovers, trails, and more camping trips. Thank you again so much for supporting the channel, watching my videos, and tuning into subpar content. Hopefully I can improve on that in this coming year. Thank you so much, and Happy New Year.